Hello, Lynn.
Teacher,
Hi, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, teacher.
Yeah. Okay, honey, did you have a vacation yesterday? I mean, yeah. Did you have a vacation?
Uh, yes,
I I think you you fed some fish yesterday. Yeah, with your family. I've
yes,
seen your mom's post, yeah. And she was feeding some fish, honey. Your mom and
yes.
dad were, yeah. They were feeding some fish. So, honey, how do I um how was your New Year's Eve? Yeah, on the December 31, honey. Yeah, before the new year. Like did you celebrate it at home or only outside like in a restaurant, honey? How did you celebrate it?
Outside.
Outside, I see. I really thought, honey, that Vietnamese people don't usually have, I really thought that you don't have the regular New Year. I only thought that you have like the Tet holiday. Yeah, so now I know that you actually have the the regular New Year because most of my students yesterday, I supposed to have 10 students yesterday, honey, but I only had 2 students yesterday. Only 2 of my students appeared to my class. So I said, oh, maybe New Year is really important there also in your country. Yeah. I
Yes,
mean,
yes.
I mean, the regular New Year. Yeah. Most of my students are back in the hometown, back in their grandpa or grandma's house. And, oh, me too, honey. We also celebrated the New Year. Yeah, with the family, with my family. And it's so much fun. Okay. And I
Yes.
hope you enjoyed your vacation, honey. You had a long vacation, right? From Thursday to up until now, right? From 1 to 4.
No,
When did your holiday start, honey?
I went to uh, I went to
2 or Friday?
like one of the
January.
no, wait, one one of the rise of
Mm,
Vietnam.
mm, mm. Where was the one? Oh yeah. January 1, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, this is the one that my other company just sent to me, honey. Here. What is Dong Tap, honey?
One of the rise of Vietnam on January 1.
Okay, let me translate that. Dong Tap. Ah, you went here. Ah, it's a province, honey. It is a province. Oh, this is
Yeah.
nice. Is it a countryside?
No.
It isn't a countryside. Is it a city?
Oh, it's a countryside,
Yeah,
countryside.
it looks like a countryside. Oh, yeah, I saw you. I saw your video, honey, and you were touching the water here. It seems like you're touching a water from here, honey. Yeah, I think you were from the boat, right? Yeah, with mommy, with Sonny and daddy. Wow. Is this far away from your house, Lynn?
Yes. It takes forever to get it.
4 hours?
Yeah.
It took us 4 hours to get there. Can you say that again?
It took us forever to get there.
Okay. Wow. By car. By car, honey.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay. I see, honey. Well, I really hope you really enjoyed because I think you really enjoyed, honey. By seeing your videos with your mom and dad, I thought to myself, oh, Lynn and Sunny really enjoyed their stay in the in during the vacation in Dongtap. Okay. Anyway, honey, teacher is now going to share the screen. We are now going to have or to continue the one we had left last time. And we had page 9 where we talked about the women's clothing and the man's clothing. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so can you see teacher's screen? I think you do now, right?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, as you can see here, honey, we have all the women's clothing which we had last time. And I
Yes.
think we've stopped here on the long sleeve top.
Now
Yeah,
we
we
have
finished?
yes with a rich skirt too.
Ah, okay. So we are also done with the song. Are we done with the song?
No.
Okay, we aren't done yet with the song. Okay, honey. For the word song, or for this one, honey, what do you think is the song? Yeah, I guess you have that one too, right?
Yes.
Thong? Yeah. Thong, honey, is a type of an underwear or a swimwear with a very narrow strip of cloth at the back, honey. Yeah. Sometimes we call it bikini bottom, honey, or underwear. Yeah. So I think you have that. And girls or women like us, girls like us, honey, really needs to have a thong, right? It is really necessary for us to wear a thong or a bra, especially when we are big ladies already, right?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, now we are now done with the women's clothing, honey. Now let's move forward to the men's clothing. Okay. So as you can see here, honey, we have the men's clothing. We are now going to start with the first one. Okay, which we call, what is that?
Uh, is sweater.
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 Yeah. Okay. So sweater, honey, is a very, for me, honey, it's a classic crew neck, something like that. Or sometimes has V-necks, honey. And it's, for
Okay.
me, honey, I think sweater is a popular men's clothing. It's one of the popular men's clothing, honey. Yeah, especially in a place where it's really cold. Yes. How about your daddy, honey? Have you seen your dad wear this sweater?
Uh, really.
Rarely. Yeah, I see, honey. So sometimes in Korean movies, honey, Korean dramas, I've seen a lot of Korean men in Korean dramas, honey, wear sweater. Yeah, maybe
My
because their
dad,
place are. Hmm.
my dad only wear shirt, sleeve shirt, and shorts and flip flops.
Ah, yeah, because in Ho Chi Minh, honey, it's kinda hot, right? It's not really that cold. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's kinda hot there. Same in the Philippines, honey. I haven't. It's so rare to see men here in my place, honey, wear to like wearing uh long sleeve or I mean sweater, honey, because it's so hot here in my place. So hot in the Philippines, honey. Yeah, I only saw men wearing sweater when they're working in an office, honey. Yeah, because it's they have AC there, they have aircon there, air conditioned air there. So it's so rare to see man, yeah, a man wear this kind of thing. But it's kind of popular, especially in America, place like America, place like Japan. Okay. Next one is the
What?
shirt. Okay. As you can see here, honey, look at this kind of shirt. Okay. Where do you see some of the men wear this? Where do we usually see the men use this kind of shirt?
Uh, in the
For me, most of the men, honey, use this kind of shirt when they're in an office. When they work in an office, honey, they wear that
oh yeah,
one. Yeah, yeah.
let me think.
Honey, Lynn, can I get some water?
Yeah, a cold.
Yeah. I don't like my water bottle, honey, is empty for me.
Okay. Dạ, cái mặt này cái Dã Lan hả? Ôi cái Dã Lan hả? Đợi cô hả? Dữ rồi.
Okay. Okay, let's go back, honey. Thank you so much for waiting.
Okay.
After yeah, after the shirt, honey, we also have here the
Jeans.
jeans. Okay, so okay, have you seen your dad wear this one, honey? When at home, when he is at home?
Now when we go somewhere very very sang
Yeah. Only when you go somewhere, honey, right? When you have somewhere to go, like something important, right? Oh
yeah.
yeah. Also here in my place, honey, or in my hometown, or even here in my house, honey, my husband don't usually wear. Yeah, no one really dares to wear pants inside the house, right, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah, most of the men, I think all of the men, yeah, wear jeans when they go outside. It's so rare to see someone wear jeans inside a house because it's so thick and it's kind of hot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But in America, honey, like American movies, there are dads or daddies, honey, who wear jeans inside the house. Maybe because their place is kind of cold, right? It's not really that hot. Okay. After the next one, honey, after the jeans, we have here the next one. We have the
Gloves.
yeah, we have the gloves. And when you say gloves, honey, gloves for men, where do they wear the gloves, honey?
Maybe somewhere where it's very cold.
Yeah, okay. So gloves, honey, are the pieces of clothing they wear on the hands, honey, to keep warm. Yeah, or to be protected. Yes, or maybe sometimes when they play a kind of a kind of sport, right, Lynn?
Yes.
It could be too. So yeah, that is it. Now, next to the gloves, we have the
Cap.
cap. Okay, my husband uses cap every time we go outside hunting. It's really an essential for him, and it's really important for him to have a cap or to wear his cap when we go outside. How about your dad, honey, or uncles or grandpa? Yeah. Do you
Um,
usually see them wear a cap?
now somewhere that very shiny.
Ah, your dad just rarely wear a cap.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, okay. All right. Since here in the Philippines, my dear, it is always really sunny and so hot and humid. People, even me, honey, when I go outside, I really wear a cap or like a round cap. Yeah. It's so
Okay.
essential for me to cover my face. Yeah. To protect my face, my skin from direct hit of the sunlight, honey. Okay. Next to the cap, we have the
Uh, next to the cap, we have suit.
yeah, the suit. Okay. So what is a suit, honey? Sometimes we call it a tuxedo, my dear. Here in my place, we call it a tuxedo or a suit or a formal wear. When do men wear this kind of clothing? When do
In
they
the
wear?
wedding.
Yes, especially in the wedding or parties, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Suits, honey, for men are a set of clothes, including a jacket, honey, or trousers sometimes, that's made from fabric, honey. And they wear it with like this. Yeah, with like this, honey. Like this, like this. This is the
Uh,
outside and this is the inside. They wear it with a shirt. And they usually wear this during the wedding ceremonies. Yeah. Especially if he's the groom. Yeah. So do you think any suit is important for special occasions?
uh, no.
For that? Really, me too. I think it's not really that important. Like there are other alternatives, honey, but it's so nice. It is so nice to see the men wear this, especially special occasions,
Haven't
special
seen.
parties.
I haven't seen my dad wear shoes.
Really? Really, you haven't
Yeah.
seen?
Yes.
Uh, I see, honey. Me, yes. I've seen my husband. I have seen my husband wear suit for his work, especially when he has parties at work, honey. Yeah. But my dad, no. I haven't seen my dad wear a suit before. Okay. Wait, honey, we have the next one. We have the
Hawaii, um,
Hawaiian.
Hawaiian shirt.
Yes, Hawaiian shirt. What is it, honey? If you see this kind of shirt, where do men wear this?
It's in Hawaii are very hot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So Hawaiian shirt, honey, are originally made from Hawaii. But honey, this kind of shirt are usually worn during the how do I explain this one to you? During the when the man goes to the beach, something like that. Yeah. Men here, honey, loves wearing Hawaiian shirt, especially when they go to the beach. Yeah. So how about there, honey? Have you seen someone or anyone wear Hawaiian shirt?
Uh, I see my dad.
Yeah. When, honey? When? When does he wear that?
Always when go have.
Yeah, when you go out. I see, honey. Okay, thank you so much, my dear, for that one. We have here the next one. What is that?
A singlet.
Singlet. Okay. Have you seen a singlet, honey?
No, I haven't seen it.
Okay, honey, a singlet is usually worn for like basketball. It's a sleeveless piece of clothing, honey, that men usually wear for. Okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to show you. Mm, Here, this is a singlet, honey. Take a look. This is how it looks like. Can you see it now?
Yes,
Yeah, this is what we call the singlet, honey. It's sleeveless, and most of the men wear this for sports, especially basketball. Yeah, and have you seen your dad wear this? Or uncles or friends wear singlets, honey?
yeah, no.
Yeah. Oh, you haven't. You haven't. I see. Okay, okay, honey. All right. The next one, my dear, we also have here the. Now, what's next to the singlet? We have the. Okay, let's have this.
Gloves.
What is it, honey?
It's like a kind of shoes.
Mhm.
What is
That,
this?
yeah, that is good. That is good to hear, honey. This is kind of like slippers, honey. Slip-ons. Yeah, and I've seen my husband wear this one, honey, at home or at the beach, honey. Yeah, these this kind of clothing, honey, are usually worn on the beach. Yeah, here in the Philippines, honey, okay, and at home. Yes. How about there, honey? Where do you usually see men wear this kind of clothing?
Uh, right in a very hot.
Mhm.
Uh,
A very hot place.
yes.
I see, honey. Okay. Anyway, let's have the next one. We have here the.
Uh, Shots.
Yes, we have the shorts as well. And my husband, honey, uses shorts when it's so hot here in my place. How about you, honey? Yeah. How about you? Where do you usually see men, uncles, friends, or your dad, honey, wear this kind of clothing?
Uh, Usually red.
Mm. Where do the men usually wear this shorts, honey? The shorts.
Uh, at home.
Mm-hmm.
Go outside.
Mm-hmm.
I think always.
Mm. Very good. Yes, that is right, honey. Especially in our country, honey. In our country, it's mostly really hot. So men usually or prefers to use shorts at home for their daily lives, honey. Daily routines. Okay. Next to the shorts, we have the
We have the cardigan.
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 Yeah. Do you know what is a cardigan, honey?
Yes.
Yeah. Have
It's
you seen your dad wear this?
maybe it's no.
No, me too. I haven't seen anyone in my place honey wear this. Yeah. Maybe this kind of clothing, honey, is just really applicable for a place like America, honey, Korea, because their place is very cold, right? Cardigan.
Yeah.
Let's search it.
But my dad is not wearing it.
Yeah, my husband too, honey. I think my husband won't like this. I think my husband really won't like this one. Look, in a very hot place here in my country, honey, I think cardigan is not really applicable to wear. Oh my goodness, it's very expensive. It's very expensive. The prices here in the Philippines, honey, are really, really expensive. Okay. Next to the cardigan, honey, we have the bow.
Wait,
Bow tie.
bow tie.
Yeah. What is a bow tie, honey?
It's like like
A ribbon. Yeah.
oh yeah, like that.
Where do you usually see men wear a bow tie or a ribbon here in their neck, honey?
In maybe in a vest.
Very good. In a suit? Yeah. Okay. Especially on parties, honey. Yeah. It is so weird to see a man wear a bow tie inside a house, right, Lynn?
Yeah.
I can't imagine my husband wear a bow tie inside a house. Okay. Anyway, we have the next one, honey. We also have here after the bow tie, we have the sleeveless.
Sleeveless shirt.
Very good. Yes, we have the sleeveless shirt. Okay. What is a sleeveless shirt, honey? What do you think is a sleeveless shirt?
Sleeveless shirt is
Or when do men wear this kind of clothing? Sleeveless shirt.
I don't know because I haven't seen my dad wear sleeveless.
Okay. Sleeveless shirt, honey, are shirt doesn't have sleeves like this, honey. They don't have sleeves like this. So in the Philippines, honey, men wear sleeveless shirts at home only. Yeah, when it's so hot. Yeah, sleeveless shirts are very, very common in a very like a tropical country, honey, or a country that's very hot. So let me show you. This is how a sleeveless shirt looks like. Sleeveless shirt. Here for men. Here. This is how the sleeveless shirts looks like, honey. And my husband really, really, really loves this one, honey, 100%. He wears this one daily, like every day. Yeah.
Oh.
So you haven't really seen your dad wear this.
Yeah.
Only t-shirts, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
He wears t-shirts daily.
Yeah. He only wears t-shirt.
Yeah. Okay. Lastly, honey, we have the vest. Okay. What is a vest, honey?
A vest is usually wearing.
Okay, it's a garment, honey. Worn over a shirt, my dear. Yeah, it's a helper jacket without sleeves. But anyway, honey, we just have seconds left. Thank you so much, Lynn. I didn't see the time. Bye-bye, Lynn. Love you, Lynn. Happy New Year.
Bye, teacher.
I didn't see the time.